Good day, classic family, and welcome to my channel. So today I'll be teaching you how to make glazed donut. Yes, for those that don't even know how to do donut at all, I'm going to take you through the step-by-step process on how to do it. So as you can see, we have our flour and all our ingredients are on ground. So that's the first thing you're going to be seeing. Then we have our egg, raw egg, then butter, our sugar, all measured and kept aside. Then you have our water. Yes, it's a one cup, that's 250 ml. Then our yeast. Our yeast is 1 tablespoon. And then our milk powdered flavor. Our milk powdered flavor is 1 teaspoon. Yes. Then we have our milk emulsion. Milk emulsion is half teaspoon. And you can see everything is set aside for the practicals already. So first of all, in a bowl, you place your sieve and pour in your flour, then you sieve it. You're doing this to take off all the dirt that are in your flour. Yes, and then you set that aside. You bring in your sugar. You pour it into the bowl. Yes, the bowl that has the flour. Then you go in with your yeast. Yes, 1 tablespoon of yeast. Pour it inside. You go in with your milk powder flavor. Add that to the mix and then you mix them up together. Then you go in with your butter. You also, my hands are very clean as you can see. Mix them up together. Now you're going to mix it in just the way I'm mixing it, so that you can get a breadcrumb like texture. Yes, it's like breadcrumbs. From there, you go in with your egg, pour it, and then you mix it to it to still give you the same breadcrumb like texture. It means you've mixed it up well. Then you go in with your 1 cup of water. But before that, you mix your milk emulsion with your water so that it can go around very well. And then you pour the water into your mix. Now you're going to do this bit by bit, so you don't have one side having a dry ingredient and not properly mixed. So you mix it all up to get a dough just like this. Yes, when they all come together, set it aside and then you flour your work surface. You transfer your dough onto the flour that you've sprinkled, and then you knead. Okay, this is the process of kneading. You stretch and fold. That's the process we're going to use, stretching and folding until it gives you the consistency you wanted. As you can see it here, yes, you can see the texture. Yes, it's ready. You need for 1 hour actually if you want a more lighter and fluffy donut. Now we're going to roll out our dough. Yes, just the way I'm doing it in the video, as you can see. Okay, I'll be using this specific donut cutter first of all to get a bigger size of donut. Yes, you cut it through like this. And then transfer into your tray. Please make sure you flour your tray too so you can easily remove it from the tray so that it doesn't get stuck. So that's what we do. And then when you're done, you still knead it back. You flatten it like this and then you cut out your donut again. This time around I'm using a smaller cutter, as you can see. Yes, this one is smaller than the first one I used. So you just go through the same process, take it to your tray, and then you knead again if you still have more to do the same process. So this is a donut. I'm going to cover it with a kitchen towel. So I'll cover it and allow it to sit for 1 hour. Yes, it's going to sit and it's going to rise for that 1 hour. I'll be teaching you how to do your pillow donut. So this is how you do it. Yes, you measure out your dough into smaller portions and then you bring it to this shape, a round shape. I'm trying to make sure I don't have too much foldings on the dough. That's why I'm pinching it this way. Just do it this way, exactly as I'm doing it. You're going to get it. Yes, round it in your hands to get a perfect round shape. You can actually transfer it to your work surface too and do the same, just the way I'm doing it. So I'll be transferring it onto a foil plate cover. Yes, you can use your flour on it too so it doesn't stick. We're using this so it doesn't get deflated. Yes, when you're transferring it to your oil. So this is how you're going to set it aside, and then you go to make more of it. This 1 hour later and our donut is already ready. You can see it has rised properly, and then you can see our oil is already on fire. You don't need too much hot oil. No, you don't. So you carry your donut like this and you place it on the hot oil. So as you can see now, you notice that there's no bubbles to show that the oil is that hot. No, you don't need your oil to be too hot. If not, you're not going to get your white lines on the donut. Please do not overcrowd your donut. You can just have 4 or 5 pieces at a time. Yeah, so you can allow it to fry properly because it expands. You can see here it has expanded. When you have your golden brown like this, you flip to the other side. I've done that already. And then you allow it to fry. You allow both sides to fry. So you can see we have our perfect white line there. So from there, you glaze your donut. Yes, you cover it with your whipped cream. I'm using whipped cream and chocolate. So the white one is whipped cream, and then the brown one is chocolate. I'm adding my sprinkles to it to give it a beautiful finish. I'm using my chocolate drip here to give it a design. So as you can see, this is how final looks. I hope you love it, and I hope you'll be trying yours very soon. I'm waiting to see yours. Thank you.